And we're back with a monthly recap for May 2025. Let's dive right into it. So we have new features, some quality of life improvements, and some new and improved AI tools. Let's start with the new features. So the first one is you can now personalize your notes to your style. So you can see the default, which is sans serif, the classic serif, or even the handwritten style. You can customize these from the settings inside the preference notes section. You have the default font settings section. You can set the font size and color that you prefer for your normal text, large header, medium header, small header. You can tweak those, and you can also access the setting from the toolbar inside the note editor. Just a word on how the update to match selection works. So if you select a part of the text that's formatted as you want that kind of text to look like, then you can click here in the toolbar, sans serif for the font setting, and you can select update to match selection to use that style everywhere in your current note. So for instance, in this note, I have the normal text section. This one is handwritten, this one is sans serif. I select this portion, I click the font settings, I go inside normal text, and I do update to match selection. By clicking this, everything that in this note is set as normal text will turn into this style. So basically handwritten in this case, it will also match size and color. You can select reset text style to default to revert everything to the default formatting. There's another thing, you can now have an email notification for new comments. Some of the feedback that we've received, but we knew already, to be honest, we just wanted to ship comments first, but the feedback was comments are not as useful as they could be if I'm not notified when I receive a comment, and that makes total sense. And so now we've implemented the possibility to receive an email when somebody leaves a comment or answers under one of your comments. Let's take a look at quality of life improvements. Quick access to mobile customization menu. Many of you told us that they are super glad that on mobile the navbar is now customizable and you can select which sections you want to see and also reorder them. But not everybody knows about this because only those who watch these videos know about it and those who pay attention inside the app. So we wanted to make it a bit more discoverable. So now when you click more in the navbar there, you will see a little gear icon that will take you to the customized navigation setting inside the menu. Now there are some search improvements. So there is a very large search improvement effort going on at Evernote, which is not finished. It will keep going for a while, but we can already tell you about some things that are happening. So first of all, no more limits on the number of search results shown. So previously there was a limit, now it's unlimited. You basically see all the notes that match that keyword that you are typing. You can also jump directly to the search term in your notes. So if you search, for instance, properties thoughtfully designed and hit enter and click on a note, you will jump right in the section with the keyword highlighted. So you will see inside the note where that search term is. This is very useful with large notes so that you don't have to later browse them yourself or to find inside the note itself. And then copy note links directly from the search modal. Basically, if you look for meeting, for instance, like here, you look for meeting, you highlight meeting notes, and if you hit Command L or Control L, it will automatically copy the note link into your clipboard. There's also a couple of improvements for the move, delete note workflow. When you now delete or move a note, you will see this toast with the option to undo the action. Very useful in case you do something, you misclick or you do something by mistake, you regret it. You don't need to go in the new notebook and move back the note to the previous one or go to the trash and reset the note. Another little quality of life thing, but now when you delete or move a note, the next one in that notebook becomes the note selected. And when moving a note, you'll see its name displayed in the modal. This was handy. Previously, the modal didn't contain notes, so if you have bad memory, as I do, you forget about what node you are moving, and so you have to close it, look at the note, and then reopen it. Now you just see the note title inside that. And now when moving a note, you also have in that toast a link to the new notebook where the note has been moved. So that now if you want, you can just click there and be taken to that notebook. And last, some new and improved AI tools. So there's a new AI text to voice web tool. So of course we already have the opposite. So the possibility to transcribe some audio or video. The opposite is now available too. So you can just paste or write some text in our tool and you can basically generate audio based on that text with a few different customizations, like the voice that you can set, the tone, and you can also select standard podcast or story. It's pretty cool. I suggest you give it a try even just to play with it. There's a new AI Reword option. When you want to edit your text with AI, you can go there and select Humanize. Humanize means that your generated text will be rewritten into human-like, very engaging content. It's a bit less robotic. It's pretty cool. Also inside Evernote, in the AI edit feature, we doubled the character limit that you can process. This was pretty handy. This is pretty handy for all those who frequently hit the length limit. And more is coming soon. So thank you very much for being here this month as well. I'll see you in a month.